Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to this presentation on the end-to-end journey of social media in the contact center. In today's digital-first world, customers reach out through Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and messaging platforms expecting fast, personalized, and accurate responses. This journey begins the moment a customer posts a comment or sends a message and continues through social listening, categorization, agent engagement, response, after-interaction work, analytics, and continuous improvement. With the right mix of AI, automation, and human expertise, contact centers can scale effortlessly, handle thousands of messages in real time, and deliver a world-class customer experience that protects both brand reputation and customer loyalty. Our journey begins when a customer takes the first step, posting a message or sending a query through one of the many social media channels such as Facebook, Twitter or X, Instagram, WhatsApp, or LinkedIn. This interaction could be public, like a tweet, a comment, or a post visible to everyone, or private, like a direct message through Messenger, LinkedIn, or WhatsApp. For example, a customer might tweet, "My internet has been down for 3 hours. Can someone help?" Hush frustrated, a simple message that could impact not only the customer's experience but also public perception of the brand if left unaddressed. This initial touchpoint sets the tone for the entire journey. Speed, visibility, and responsiveness become critical right from the moment the message is posted, shaping how the customer and the wider audience perceive the company. The next step in the journey is social media listening and monitoring, the technology that ensures no customer message goes unnoticed. Advanced tools like Sprinkle, Hootsuite, and Jeensi's social engagement continuously scan social platforms for brand mentions, hashtags, and direct messages across channels like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. What makes this so powerful is that it works even if the customer doesn't directly tag the company. A complaint, a question, or even casual feedback mentioning the brand is captured in real time and seamlessly fed into the contact center's system. This step ensures proactive engagement. The company can respond quickly, protect its reputation, and provide timely assistance before issues escalate publicly. Once a customer message is captured, the next step is categorization and routing, the brain of the entire process. Here, the system, often powered by artificial intelligence, carefully analyzes both the type of query, whether it's a complaint, feedback, general inquiry, or even praise, and the tone or sentiment behind the message, such as positive, neutral, or negative. Based on this analysis, the system automatically routes the message to the right team. For instance, an angry tweet about a service outage gets tagged as high priority and is sent directly to the dedicated outage response team for immediate handling. This ensures that urgent or sensitive issues are fast-tracked, while general queries or routine tasks can be managed efficiently by the appropriate departments, leading to faster resolution times and higher customer satisfaction. Now we move to the heart of the process, agent engagement and response. Agents work through a unified social media console where every message, tweet, comment, and direct message from multiple platforms appears in one centralized interface. This means they no longer need to switch between Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, or LinkedIn individually. From this console, agents can reply directly to customers using pre-approved templates, knowledge base articles, or even AI-suggested drafts to craft quick, accurate, and consistent responses. For example, when a customer tweets about a service outage, the agent can instantly reply, "We are sorry for the trouble. Can you DM us your account details so we can check the outage in your area? This approach ensures speed, professionalism, and consistency, key ingredients for improving customer satisfaction and brand reputation. After the response is sent, we move into the crucial step of after-interaction work. Here, the agent ensures that all customer interaction details are accurately logged into the CRM system. This includes capturing the context of the issue, the actions taken, and any required follow-ups. If additional steps are needed, like creating a support ticket, scheduling a callback, or escalating the case, the system automatically links all relevant information to the customer's record. For instance, the agent might log customer reported outage, escalated to tech team, awaiting resolution within 4 hours. This step ensures seamless continuity between teams, avoids duplication of work, and creates a complete record for future reference or audits. The final step in the journey is analytics, feedback, and continuous improvement, where data turns into action. Contact centers carefully track key social media metrics such as response time, how quickly agents reply to customer messages, engagement rate, how many customers interact with your responses, resolution rate, whether customer issues were successfully solved, customer sentiment, did the customer's tone improve or worsen after the interaction? These insights are compiled into real-time reports and dashboards that help managers identify trending issues, like repeated complaints about a service, and optimize staffing based on peak volumes. The result? A cycle of continuous improvement, where every interaction makes the process smarter, faster, and more customer-centric over time. Let's talk about why this journey matters so much in today's digital era. Customers now expect instant responses on social media. Even a small delay can damage brand reputation and erode trust. Because social platforms are public, every response doesn't just affect one customer, it shapes how the entire audience views the brand. With AI-powered tools and social listening technologies, contact centers can now scale effortlessly, managing thousands of conversations in real time while ensuring speed, accuracy, and consistency across every interaction. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.